Hi guys, I'm Mama Bear to Many. I am Mom to 15, and today I'm going to show you what I'm doing in order to make some outfits handicap accessible. I guess handicap accessible, I don't know what you'd say, accessible for in the pediatric NICU. So we are working on some of these. Okay, so I was asked how I was making these handicap accessible for my son Azariah, who is in the NICU. And so when he can wear clothing, again, it's important that he doesn't have something that has to go over his head, because he'll either be wearing CPAP or ventilation or some sort of tubing. So I'm taking, I actually start at the bottom here. I have to cut this part with scissors, and then I pull the seam up along here, in here, and then up there. So I did that on this one here already. So it opens up like this, so that if you unsnap these here, it will open completely up. You can lay that into the bed and then lay the baby on it, and then you'll be able to snap this, and then these here. I am, move this around a little bit. So this is the same sort of outfit. I took that off, and then I just put snaps. This is my first one, so it's not perfect. This one I need to fix because I put that one on backwards. So let me see. See, I just put the snap on here like this. So it just has the fold that it had before. I put the snap on here, and I did that all the way up this side into here. Now, I need more thread because I was gonna hand sew just that. I did a little bit of hand sewing, but it'd be better if I had more thread, but that will work for now at this moment. I'm gonna ask my daughter if she can bring me a spool of thread, and then I think I'm okay. I mean, I could have it come down and then down again, but really this is just a hospital situation. He's not gonna mind. Most likely this might even be open for a different tubing. So I just put a snap where this would kind of fold down, and this would go on top here. So fold and then top here. You could get more fancy with it. I'm not. I am just making it good enough for him to be in the hospital and have some outfits. So I have these three, and then I have three more back at the Ronald McDonald house that I'm gonna work on for him. He cannot wear clothing right at this moment, but I figured I would try to get these done. Gives me something to do, especially when I couldn't be doing too much. There was a period of time where I really couldn't even be talking next to him because he would be sedated and not want me talking next to him, or he would, but then he'd move his head around, and that wasn't good. So this is the snap thing. These are the backs, and then we have two different types. One of these, this is the bottoms, and that's the tops. Here, I'll try to show it quick. Okay, so I got this on Amazon. You just unlock that there, and then for the bottom, so if you look, the instructions were not good at all. This one has kind of like it's not a hole, it's just kind of like a triangle, and then the bottom part here has a hole. So this spiky thing, see, it's like spiky. Okay, that one is gonna go in the one that does not have the hole. We're gonna shove that up in there. So it's like that, and then you're gonna take the one with the hole, and if you're making a, let me get it flatter for you guys. If you're making one like that, then the pointy part's gonna go inside of that hole, like that. But then make sure you like shove it down a little bit with your thumb, like that, so it shouldn't be able to fall out, and then you would apply it like this. So let's do one. so I marked these already with like a little pink marker. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I'm just gonna do one of these spaces, but these need to be on the bottom, and then the other one's on the top is how I have the other one. So oh, maybe I should do this one here then so you can see it better. There we go. Okay, so I want, for this, I want the spiky up. So I'm gonna put the claw thing down, and then the spiky up, and then press. And the snaps on there like that. And then I'll do the same for the top. The top ones are a little more tricky. Couldn't figure out which way these ones went, but I have now. So this has like a deep groove like that, and then this has this there. This part is going to go down into that hole. The way you tell the difference is the grooves are a little bit wider in that part, and then I'm going to get a top. Make sure you press them in. I'm going to fold and make sure it's over the right way. And let's see, going to want the spiky part on top now. And press. There we go. So now you have the two snapped. Just like that. I hope this is helpful. Hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day.